In this video, we will primarily go over how to search for trade publication articles in Belk Libraries databases. A trade publication article, or an article in a trade journal, falls sort of between a popular and a scholarly source. Trade pubs are produced for working professionals, thus their focus is on what's trending in that field or trade. Oftentimes the authors are professionals, which lends credibility to their reporting and commentary. To look for trade publication articles and popular magazine articles in Belk Libraries databases, start in APPSearch with your topic generally. Refine your results and add limits just as you did with scholarly articles. Limit to full text online, and then by publication date, either selecting one of these quick options or specializing the search a bit. And finally, adjusting the source type. So this week I want to make a point of clicking on Show More and selecting magazines and trade publications. You'll notice that most of the icons say periodical, which is just a more antiquated way of naming a newspaper or a magazine which is regularly published. To find an article that will fit with the direction of your paper or contribute something to your paper, you may have to scroll a bit. For me this week, that meant scrolling to the 30th result and being open to thinking about my topic not only within the genre of podcasts, but also within the genre of documentary films, as you see that one of the subjects for this article is Making a Murderer. After skimming the article, which is linked for me here as HTML text, I do feel like it will offer me some food for thought regarding the ethical critiques of true crime media more generally. And so I do want to hang on to this source. Thus, I want to make sure that I grab its permalink on the right-hand side of the screen and copy and paste this into my notes. I also, while I'm here, want to take just a quick second and grab the APA citation, because why would you want to create a citation if you don't have to? So I'm just going to copy and paste this APA citation also into my notes and then eventually onto the reference page for this project. In this search, I don't have the opportunity to learn more about my source through the library's database. There's no active link here. So I just looked up the Hollywood Reporter on Google, and I can see that it's 90 years old and that it is, in fact, a trade publication, which is geared, as we might guess, toward the Hollywood film, television, and entertainment industries. Since my topic is about media, the Hollywood Reporter makes a lot of sense as a source for my project. Keep in mind that if you want to schedule a wrap session, a one-on-one meeting with one of our information literacy librarians, now would be a really good time in the research process to do that, and they certainly can help you in this search for trade publication and magazine articles. Thank you so much for your time in watching this video.